Let's go, boys! Go ahead, you can go. Everybody got on the bed. Play some D. Play some D.
I'm not going to photo down here.
Okay. Already told them that they get ready to get called every call. Why it wasn't here for that darn. Attack the basket. Yeah, Mario. You're gonna shoot that. Get up! Hustle! Yeah, I wouldn't do that shit. That's too large.
He was trying to be cheap.
Yeah, for that, I would have parked that one in the rest stop. Look up, JR. Yeah, Wyatt. Yeah, Wyatt. Good D. Good D. Good D. Good D.
I knew he was.
How'd I know he was getting ready to shoot? I knew it. I knew it. He turned into Steph Curry already. You ain't even been off the bench but for 2 minutes. He ain't been off the bench but for 2 minutes and then turned into Steph Curry already. Excuse us. Whose number is 22846 right here? I know that. That number sounds familiar. Look, let me check my phone calls for time made on my phone last night.
Why he didn't come?
Already?
They ran out.
Probably. Timeout.
That's not no timeout. He calls. Oh, somebody needs to tie their shoe.
Wi-Fi at.
Oh my God.
Yeah, Jason. Gotta watch them feet. Gotta watch how you moving them feet, number one. Whose number is that? I've seen that number before.
It's who it is. That's how I always find out who people are. I just text them. So who is this?
Well, they text me talking about who is this, so I text back, who is this?
Don't text.
And then didn't respond. I knew I seen that number before something. It's my neighbor. I'm like, now I know good darn well I didn't see this number before. Hands out! Y'all gotta be ready for them rebounds, man. Thank you. I love when you do that.
Good.
Slide your feet. Move your feet. Move your feet. Hands up. Good job, Javon. Boy.
Lazy shot.
I'm here whispering about him. Wait a minute, Javon. Get up, Javon. As you know, they'll lay there. He tripped over Kamar, though. Really? Then he wanted to try to blame it on Kamar. No. You called him for the ball, but you just let it go right past. All right. Excuse me. So Somebody come to this corner, man.
Everybody else.
Hey, number 10 thinks he's shaking and baking y'all though. Thank you.
I ain't get that on camera. We seen it with our eyes. It's all good. Okay. I just need to do a position. I can't be sitting on this thing. I don't know. All over the
Nice pass out, Jason. They said he didn't have the boots on. Sorry. Everybody else talking about
act like I do. I be acting like I do. I be at home.
My strategy say defense, defense.
That's all I know. That's all I know.
My strategy is to say defense. And I know when it's time to play defense.
That's all I know.
Yeah, I mean, he already know about it.
Yeah.
He already know about it. He ain't supposed to listen to the time because take that basket, Eric.
I'm gonna need y'all to use that backboard. Backboard. trying.
Swing the ball. I love you, Javon.
He was trying to,
He was trying, but he
they
couldn't
was.
get there.
Mm-hmm.
I love you, Javon. Make these count, Javon. Make them count, boo. It's okay, it's okay. Same way. It's all right, it's all right. Way to be there to get that rebound, Zion. Now play some D. Oh, I thought that was in there. I thought that mug was on.
laid down at like 7 o'clock. We've been up like all night. And then one of my phones switched to Indiana time. One of them didn't, and I set the alarm for 8 o'clock on the one that didn't switch to Indiana time. So yeah, I woke up all night. Yep.
Kind of late, ain't you?
I came from 6 hours away.
Me too. Me too.
Do I have to beat him up?
Girl, they be on her head.
Oh, okay.
You have to have
I think
a relationship with your ass.
Because they be cheating.
Oh, let me find out.
Oh, like I got a friendly relationship.
I know that. I'm teasing too. Except everybody, everything except beating you up.
You see what she didn't think? You didn't came, you see, you had some friends over here, now what you on this?
I still got friends.
I'm still your friend, sure am.
I appreciate it. As long as you whoop him over there.
Yeah, yeah, he definitely gonna get it.
In action.
Yeah, Kamar.
Oh, fast
Get
shot.
your rebound. That's what's up. Yeah.
Take your time, booty.
Yeah. It could have been if he was slowing down.
You good? Take your time. Lord knows I need to cover that up. The gas hand just came on.
Talk about some.
Gas light just came on.
You might want to cover your money up.
Take your time.
This is why I can't come to the games. I be thinking I'm the coach.
Oh yeah.
That's me.
Yep.
I'm the assistant to the assistant to the assistant to the assistant coach. I just ain't got my shirt yet.
They just want to. They want to put her out every game.
They do every time. The last time the man came to me, he said, "You know what? I didn't have to watch the game.
Take your time.
Why? Where was you at? Them extra long arms."
Definitely a hustler on that court, though.
Yeah, he is. Rebound!
They don't
know nothing about it. Lord, I'm going to have to have a proper time about rebounding today. Yesterday it was defense.
Hustle, booty, get it! Yeah. He got one more time to blow it on 13. Team down, booty! That's defense! That's defense!
think
That's
the way it's
defense,
different.
Booty. That's defense.
You know.
Maybe, I don't know.
I think it's different. They got it's different, like different calls.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh, you're fine. You can come on
Yeah.
by. Okay.
Good D, Kamar. Press, Jason. Boom. Good hustle, Booty. And back at it.
You fine.
What?
I ain't recording no more.
Oh.
I probably ain't got no more room to record.
No.
I don't know, because they scored 28 now. It was. Oh, no, he didn't, because they did score.
It was there.
Well, if I think I'm recording one more time now, I can't take this. Give my other
Hey,
phone.
Mario.
My other phone got more.
Y'all still got a D up? Y'all still got a D up? And was that number 10?
Go ahead, Kamar.
I was going to say number 10 been getting y'all the message the whole game. I mean, as far as breaking y'all. Smart passes.
I done went to YouTube trying to run it down on camera.
No Richie and Jayon.
Now, on this iPhone 5, I can record for hours. On that iPhone 6, it's full already, and I ain't even had it 30 days yet.
Your hands
I
up
said
and
I
out.
have to go
No
back to the
reaching.
droid.
Is this girl team right there? Are they from with y'all?
No.
And she looked like Aaron.
The one, the blue team over there.
She looked like Aaron.
No, they.
What's the boy name? Ernie, them sister.
Aaron.
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 Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
Aaron, I thought that's you.
Yeah, Aaron.
I done took a picture. I ain't even recording. Girl, you know some people ain't got no business with no phones at all.
They game over.
It's before too. It's all right.
Oh, you know what? I think I better stand behind her.
done broke all them niggas.
He did.
Man, and he broke all them dudes. Very last one now. Yeah, come on. Get him, Rudy. Stay with him. Quit letting him break your ankle.
He did.
Watch them passes, son. He got mad at me because I told him the little boy broke his ankle. Yeah, Kamar. Break him, Kamar. He lost control of that ball.
He like, forget it. Let me just go ahead and give it on up.
He was going too fast. He lost control of the ball. Because if he would have had control of that ball, he would have took every last one of them down.
Get out the way, please.
Excuse us. We recording. I mean, Mr. Clean, his head hurts so bad. I'm gonna even lick my hands so I can get real good.
I'm just letting you know. When I get y'all's team, I'm fouling your son out.
You don't even know which one.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
I'll call all the boys. Son.
Yes,
You don't
I
know
do.
which
No,
one.
I know which one. Don't yours wear the glasses.
Nope. I told you don't know which one belongs to me.
Hang on.
That's why I call it. Go, son. See, that's my son. He just made that basket right there. Go, son.
Hey, I guarantee you I pick you. Now watch me.
Okay, Malik, if you call my name like that one more time.
Yes, sir. Good job. They gonna tell him. They gonna tell him. I can't stand him here. Y'all shut up over there. Don't say nothing. Malik, tell him.
Of course.
Good defense.
When they let him.
No, court two right there.
Oh, on that end?
Where the boys they're black and white. That middle court right there.
No, it's the one that get yelled at a lot. Number 13.
That's my baby.
Yeah,
That's my baby. That's my baby.
That's her baby. You wrong. You so wrong.
How good is y'all team?
Even told on Malik. What Malik be yelling at my grandmother?
I know he's skinny.
You know he's skinny. Why am I saying that to be skinny?
Where's he at?
I ain't telling
He's
you.
not out there.
My son is the one right there.
No, yours is.
His name
he's
is
not on the
Wyatt.
court. He's not on the court right now.
His name is Wyatt. That's my
Yours
son
ain't
right
on the
there. He mixed. That's
No.
my son. He mixed. That's my son.
No, it's not.
Yes, he is.
I'm gonna find out what it is. When I have your game, when I have your game, I'm fouling him out.
Is there a complaint box? What's your name? What's your badge number? I need to report.
Okay, okay.
Shit, just Starbucks.
Them Kamars,
Them
yeah.
moves.
No, he I'm gonna say I ate one. Cause they let him.
I blink my eye and everything. And then they all went down.
Yeah, they went from 16 to 29 real quick. Them little boys been hooping over the last 3 minutes. Plus, Kamar had me out because he was talking about his game was at 6:30 in the evening in Indianapolis.
Boy, that's why you can't ask him.
I know. 3-something this morning, I inboxed Malik like, can you tell me where their game is at and what time it is?
You trying to stay up all night.
Talking about some 9, 10, and 11.
Shoot it, Jan.
Wait a minute, what?